hope you enjoy my song. You shouldn't hesitate, that my feelings for you, I'll prove it so many times in different ways to you. I hope somewhere deep inside you know that I love you, 'cause whenever you go walking my way, I said, hey, hey, yeah, I love you till the morning comes. I said, hey,
Claire, slow ba?
yeah, I'll kiss you in the morning sun. Now is not the right time to get
Two more people before her.
Now is not the right time. Now is not the right
Okay guys, we're gonna start the rematch. We're gonna start Ate Kitty's auction, guys.
Just give me time and time.
Remember, if you want, galing. 2 minutes, 23 seconds.
Thank you. The love we share is so strong. I know that we don't belong. But whenever you come,
1 minute, 49 seconds.
walking my way, I say, hey, hey, yeah, I love you till the morning comes. Ooh,
Antok na rin ako.
hey,
Wow!
yeah, I'll kiss you in the morning sun.
You still have 1 minute, 25 seconds.
Walking my way.
Another one!
Hey, hey, I love you till the morning comes.
48, 47.
I said, hey, hey, I'll kiss you in the morning sun.
Another one! Thank you so much, Oji. You still have 30 seconds.
Oh, should I sing one more? No more.
It's up to you. 24 seconds. Nobody will beat Oji. Nobody have dragon there? Thank you so much for the love, Oji. 8 seconds.
I was sitting all alone. No more rematch. No more.
Opo.
Okay.
Ako magre-reject. Yeah, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Oji, Ate Kitty, salamat po sa pag-join. I hope your first time is not bad for you. I hope you enjoy. Thank you to all the supporters of Ate Kitty. Good night, guys. Congratulations, Oji.
Thanks.
Claire! Oh my God. Si Ate Elvisa pa tsaka si Marie.